We are the Hungry Doges. Okay. We're so poor and hungry. We're just living in this trash can.
I'm hungry.
Oh, cute girl. Thank you for the ride. Just follow me.
He's spinning around, it makes me dizzy.
Whoa, that girl's mean. Let's go. Find a better spot.
I want to live in a tent. The trash can smells bad.
I'll go inside the trash can and find something we could eat.
I'm very hungry.
Ooh, I removed the trash can here, and then we finally got a tent. Let's go get a sleeping bag.
I'll place my bed over here. Red bed. Cool.
Wow, purple bed. We wake up. Let's go wake up. It's still late night. I cannot sleep because we're so poor.
And it's also very cold outside.
We should find something to survive.
I'm very hungry. I might have to die from hunger.
Let's go sneak into the grocery. Okay?
Oh,
That girl's following us.
Calling.
Okay. Gentleman. Coca-Cola.
I want some.
And a pizza. Wow.
I want bananas too. That's it. What do you want? I want a banana and this drink.
Now time to get out. Let's go quick. Jump, 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 jump. Jump. Oh man, someone took our tent. It was so smelly and bad. They threw it away. Let's go find a better spot to go. Maybe someone will rescue us.
The police station is empty. No one works.
Wait, we'll get caught by the guards. Let's go sneak. Be gentle and careful. This is the work area. This is the jail center. This is the basketball area.
Criminal is over there.
We need to sneak so long.
Look, the daycare's over there. Here's the girl is upstairs. Over there, I think.
Is someone anywhere here?
I think no one, I think.
No one's here.
This seems empty. No kid is not here yet.
Okay, let's go sit over here. It's been a long time since no one adopted us yet. Let's go. Where shall we stay?
It's very cold out here. No
Wait a minute. What's this in this gap?
But here and we're behind these trees. Oh, my box! I found a
got their house decorated.
I got a box.
Oh my god. A cat is stuck in the window.
I found the box.
Hey, let's go